YouTube family, what is good? DevanOnDeck back with another Instagram tips video for you. And I got a guest on the show. If you don't know who this young genius is, you need to know who Jade Darmawangsa is. She and I are on the same wave. I'm pretty sure her video is suggested right underneath this one right now. She's the #1 creator for the words IGTV, for IG growth. I'm gonna stop talking. Introduce yourself.
Devin, thank you so much for having me. Yeah, what's up guys? My name is Jade. I'm an entrepreneur, but I help you grow on social media. And there's a lot of overlap with our content, so I'm super excited to be here, man.
Yeah, I'm excited to have you. So the day that IGTV debuted, Jade dropped a video on YouTube. The thing went crazy. As you know, a few days later, I dropped mine. Also comments on there, a lot of complaining, a lot of whining, a lot of we hate this, we hate that, and we cannot do anything but agree with you. So it's kind of a recap of the things that you said and the things that we think, and 3 things that are wrong with IGTV. So the number one thing that is super annoying to me about IGTV that I think it really stunts it is discoverability. Like nobody can ever search anything. All you can do is search profiles right now.
But like for IGTV, it's just literally the most non-intuitive menu bar. Have you seen it? And there's like 4 things. It's like most popular, recently watched, and then like suggested. It doesn't make sense for what the explore page is. The
things that make Instagram great, the fact that you can like tag somebody else so they can find that, or like tag a brand so you can monetize, or I don't know, search a hashtag, like none of those things are working. And actually a lot of people don't even know you can actually put descriptions on your IGTV videos. In order for somebody to see it, they have to know a little tiny arrow at the very top is like tappable so you can even read it in the first place. It's like pointless. What's the biggest complaint about like how the layout is? Like what do you feel like is a drawback for you?
I honestly don't feel like the vertical is a drawback. A lot of people think that's what's the drawback. That's normal for me. Like Snapchat stories, I think it's gonna become very familiar. I also think it's funny how like the user gets notified when we don't ask to get notified.
If somebody has an IGTV channel that you already follow, basically you're already subscribed to their channel without ever actually opting into that. Same as if you put a live video up, you get notification, and it's really annoying if the videos aren't fire, right? So like for you as a person that wants to start an IGTV channel, you're almost forcing them to know that you put a video up, then it better be good because they're gonna turn notifications off for you specifically.
True. So for everyone out there who did a channel intro who didn't make no sense because it's just fucking like saying hey, you're screwed.
You think so?
I'm joking. Well, I feel like everyone felt like forced to start the channel. I don't think Instagram TV is gonna be an excuse to make shittier content that won't live on YouTube. I feel like people think it's like the easier way out. It's for posting video content. I definitely think the quality needs to be still up there. Like as a feature, like it's supposed to be vertical, so keep the content native to the platform. This is more of things I hate about people who post on here.
Yeah, I think so. I think Instagram's kind of made everybody used to kind of lowering the bar by doing basically the Snapchat ripoff, right? The whole point of Instagram stories is that like, yeah, it lowers the bar. You don't have to be so curated. It can just be like fun and it doesn't really matter. So when they go to IGTV, you can't really blame people honestly for not putting out quality content. They're not used to it. Instagram hasn't trained them for that. So I don't know how they're gonna try to be a player in the game with YouTube when the audience doesn't even expect that from the platform. So it's only natural for people to act like they will already act. The psyche of going on IG either has to change or it will never change and it just won't work. But in order for it to work, it has to change. They have to approach it as if they're doing a YouTube.
Yeah, because I feel like people lack the training. Like how YouTube has tutorials on how to make better videos, Instagram TV lacks videos on how to make Instagram TV just since it's so new.
As much as we hate how IGTV is right now, I know y'all are frustrated about how things are hodgepodge, you don't really get it. No matter how annoying all the rest of this crap is and how new it is, you know they're owned by Facebook, you know they're gonna adapt, you know they're gonna actually make it better. And just like you didn't like IG stories at early on,
everyone loves them now.
Everybody loves it now.
Facebook's gonna brainwash you.
Yes, they are, and you're gonna love this later too. So I'm sure they're gonna find all things that we're complaining about now. In 6 months, it won't even be an issue.
Once organic traffic becomes really, really good, people are gonna be more creative. They have more motivation to create better content. I think there's a lot of a ripple effect.
Right.
Starting with the discoverability would be a good point just because I think if people can get more popular, they're gonna work harder on their content.
Exactly. So I just really hope they don't pull like what Facebook did with Instagram and like choke everything out with the algorithm, and hopefully they let it be just a new space that we can just play in for a while, just like Instagram was when it first started. So if you're listening, Mark Zuckerberg, back off, fam. Chill. Chill, my boy. So now this leads me to Jade's video. If you go ahead and click the link down in the description, you will see her video on the same similar subject, but really talking about our workflows and how we create videos. A lot of y'all have asked me about, Devin, how do you create your YouTube? You've asked me that like for a long time. How do you create things? How do you plan stuff out? We're literally gonna walk through our workflows on how we make stuff. It's gonna be down below. Click that link. And then when you go there, make sure you subscribe to her channel. She's amazing.
Subscribe to Devin as well if you haven't already, and obliterate that thumbs up button.
I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.